Alex was just like any other young man in New York, working a 9 to 5 job, earning a decent salary, and believing that money problems were something only poor people faced. Every Friday night, he would go out with friends, swipe his credit card without thinking, and tell himself, "I'll figure it out later." But later came faster than he expected. One morning, Alex woke up to a notification that changed everything. His bank account was almost empty, his credit card was maxed out, and his rent was due in 3 days. For the first time in his life, he felt fear. Not the kind of fear you feel in a movie, but the kind that sits heavy in your chest and doesn't let you breathe. That day, instead of ignoring the problem, Alex did something different. He sat down with a pen and paper. No apps, no distractions, just him and his reality. He wrote down everything: his income, his expenses, his debts. And what he saw shocked him. He wasn't poor, he was just careless. That's the first lesson of becoming a good finance manager. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how well you manage what you earn. Alex realized that his biggest mistake was emotional spending. Every time he felt stressed, he spent money. Every time he felt happy, he spent money. Money had become his emotion, not his tool. So he made a rule: no emotional spending. Instead of buying things instantly, he would wait 48 hours. If he still needed it, then he would buy it. Surprisingly, 70% of the things he wanted, he didn't actually need. Next, he created a simple system called the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, bills, 30% for wants, fun, entertainment, 20% for savings and investments. At first, it felt impossible, but he started small. Even saving $10 felt like a victory. Then came the most important shift: thinking long-term. Alex started asking himself one question before every purchase: will this help my future or just satisfy my present? For example, instead of buying a $500 gadget, he invested that money. Over time, that small decision grew into something bigger. He learned about investing, compound interest, and how money can work for you instead of you working for money. Months passed, and slowly, things changed. His stress reduced, his savings grew, his confidence came back, and one day he realized something powerful. He wasn't just managing money anymore, he was controlling his life. Because being a good finance manager is not about numbers, it's about discipline, it's about mindset, it's about making smart choices even when it's hard. So if you're watching this right now and thinking, "I don't earn enough to manage money," stop right there. Start with what you have. Track your spending. Control your emotions. Think long term. Because the truth is, you don't need more money to become rich. You need better habits.